So I will show you how to install an Appflow onto your Boost.space system and how to leverage its value. So Appflows are combining one or more automation scenarios, database structure, and even more automation scenarios if necessary. And what is really interesting about Boost.space is that with our standardized modules such as contacts, products, and many others, you can actually mix and match Appflows from multiple creators to build something tailor-made, to build a tailor-made solution thanks to a lot of pre-made automations that you can combine together. So let's install it. So let's go to our marketplace and just choose synchronization for PrestaShop, for example. I will install it, and because it's free, it will just let me select a space where I want this Appflow to be deployed. So I'll just put it to some existing space. Let's just put it to the flower space and click next. You can see that this particular Appflow is not carrying any database structure. This is possible. Some of them can. So depending on the complexity of the scenario, you can automatically expand the columns in your database. But for synchronization of WooCommerce, it's just few scenarios for two-way sync, and we can click on install and continue. So now we are actually in our space, and you can see two scenarios. So I have actually launched an Appflow that can help you to accomplish two-way sync between your WooCommerce solution and Boost.space. Why? Well, because once you put your data, your product database, product data in the central product database in Boost.space, you can then combine it with many Appflows that can help you to enrich it and improve it. Remove the background from photos, improve text and so, and then sync it back. So usually those simple two-way sync Appflows are your starting point to getting some value on top of your data. So as you can see here, the space has actually gained its new particular Appflow logo here. You can see that it's telling me what to do next. So it tells me to set up the WooCommerce scenario. So if I click on this, it will actually show me a pre-made template that is part of the Appflow, and you can continue by creating the template according to the, creating sync from the pre-made scenario. So this is the first step that you need to do. The next step you can do in the share view. So that's just setting up the way out of Boost.space, and you will have it. You will have your two-way sync between Boost.space and your WooCommerce platform, and then you can go back to our marketplace, browse for some really interesting AI enrichment templates, what you can accomplish with your products, and really gain some amazing value on top of your data. So this is the first step how to install the Appflow.